Okay, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. As you can see, that's all back together now, nice and neat. That hose there, if you're wondering where that hose goes, it goes like that. It goes on top of the compressor, connects to the actual oil filler on top, and it goes underneath the intake manifold to this side here and connects to the bottom there. Alright, that's all done. That's a brand new one. The belt's been, I've got a brand new belt in there, not a new tensioner. That bit there, brand new one, new tensioner, and a new one of those. Because it was cracked on the corner. It was hit here, so I didn't want to muck around, just replace it, I don't want it to leak. And then, alright, and then that part there goes inside there. So if you're wondering, all these yellow marks, what they means they've been torqued up to the specification, so I don't forget. You know, I don't like looking at something and say to myself, did I do that up? I hate that. New belt as well. So now I've washed everything down. The last bit I've got to do, I've got to wash it outside, the engine outside. But for now, I'll show you the intake manifold. Nice and clean. Straps, gaskets. Here's the intake. See how clean it is compared to before. There's a lot of dirt in there. Clean the throttle body as well. I gotta wipe that. That's my hand marks from opening. That's my hand mark from opening the flaps. But that's nice and clean. So now I gotta install the intake manifold, straps, double check everything, give it a nice wash, and then pretty much it. That's the old belt. I don't need that. See you later. Yeah, double check the whole lot, and then yeah, look in there, it's nice and clean in there as well, and in there as well. Alright, that little bit there connects to the back of this one, that hose there, yellow mark there. Alright, I'll do that first and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.